Hey, what's up, guys? It's Zoe. Today I will be doing a video of adding how toilet paper reacts to slime and how it will go as whatever. So, sorry for the dirtiness. That's actually just writing right here. But this is just all slime. This is. Okay, so I have to activate this one. I'm pretty sure this one. But for the first thing, I'm only going to be adding toilet paper to one of my things. But I actually have a friend on my phone right now. She's about to film her YouTube video, her channel. Actually, you want to say it? Okay, this is.
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Makayla. 1976.
Yeah, I will link it just in case. For now. Okay, these two are those like liquidy kind of like barrels of slime. I did switch the lids and I did open them. Oh, it has a bubble. Pop. Okay. This one's green. And this one is blue. I don't think this is gonna be a good mixing kind of slime to be able to do, and like because it literally comes apart from the like if you do like this, it'll literally come apart in sections of the color of slime. But let's go ahead and mix it. I will have to squeeze it like this. That's the only way I'll be able to mix it. But if you leave it in the container for a while, it will like settle and then go back together. See, there's. This is aggravating. It's good enough. Hopefully this comes out as like a teal. This probably won't be able to be a fully mixed, but I'll let it settle and then I'll mix it in my next video. Mix it even more in my next video, but I'll try to mix it as much as I can.
And say that you're posting every other day.
Oh, and someone commented, post every other day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post today, edit tomorrow, and then post again. Sometimes I might post randomly, so yeah. Okay, so it's already going back together. It's not all Emily, but
say that the person that commented is me.
you just heard her, but the person who commented was her.
That's my channel.
So it came out, it's actually lighter than that, but you can still see the separation of the colors. You need a light. It's one of those like jiggly kind of slimes, which I hate. I don't really like jiggly slimes. That like this, where if you squeeze it, it falls apart. Or like if you poke it, your fingers touch the ground. I don't like that kind of slime. But I'll let this settle for the night, and I'll just show y'all the result. Well, keep mixing, and then show the result of both of them. And I'll fully mix them in the next video. Okay, moving on already, finally. This is a foam bead slime that she made. This is one of those slimes where,
Yeah, it's
like, If you put it in sunlight, it'll turn purple. So little close-up ASMR. Then let's go ahead and take it out. And yes, I forgot to say in my first video, I do slime videos. I'll do those a lot as well. Probably more than the rest. I'll probably do ASMR and slime the most. But I'll do more if you want. If I can do it. See, this one probably needed to be activated just a tad bit. Let's figure out. Actually, I think it's pretty good. Okay, let's go ahead and it's my mom. I'm recording for YouTube. Okay. I was just showing this one. Huh?
You'll probably just edit that out.
No. I can't really. Actually, I can. But probably won't. Because it was funny. Okay, moving on. Okay, next slime. This is going to be the slime where I put the... Okay, this next slime will be the one I activate because it's watered down, basically. This is my activator in the thing, in a little hog wash. Like it's watered down.
It's black, by the way.
And for my activator, I'll be using borax. Little dried piece of slime. Doesn't work. Trying to wrap it around my fingers. Open it, silly. I don't know how strong this is. I'm pretty sure it's very strong, but yeah. Okay. I think it's time to take it out of the container. Okay.
Okay, they're gonna make my YouTube video.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to her channel and leave a like.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Post notifications and comment down below. What do you want to see?
You. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay. And I'll show you a picture of her profile too. So it might log up like a lot of different names. Hopefully it does show up. But to actually find her account, go in my first video and scroll down all the way to the comment section. And she commented, click on her profile, and there she is. I try not to overactivate this or like make it too hard. Try to make it still a little sticky, which it is a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and grab this first piece. Okay. This is almost like the gold leaves, almost, but they don't break apart like as easy as that. But it really just mixes in to the slime. It doesn't like, it doesn't really melt it down. It doesn't really, not really activates, but like makes it like thicker. Say that. Thicker, that's about it. You could add probably, if it's a small slime, you could probably do at least 3 at a time. If you want to go more, you can. It's not my decision. But that's about it. It really just makes the slime a very good kind of texture. So, like you could do like this, put it on both sides, and then mix it. You could do whatever you want. Just showing you some of my ways I like to do it. Sometimes I like to flatten it out, and then add them on the same side. This is what I mostly do. I mostly add it on the same side, flatten it out, make it on the same side. And that's it. Just gonna mix this in. And that's it. It just makes the slime very thick. And it looks very cool whenever you mix it too as well. Just a very thick slime now. But yeah, that's it. Thank y'all guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment down below what my next video should be about. But hope you like this video. And have a wonderful day.